How to fix TikTok direct message not showing. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a problem of not showing a direct message on TikTok. It's so easy. Now go to your TikTok. For example, I'm gonna click on this random creator, and now the key of this option is to follow the one you want to send the message. Click on follow and click on message. Click on inbox and click on the paper plane up there. Now those are people who following me. I can send them a message and click on the plus icon and no result found. And now this is because I don't have any on my following called Ashley. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and the key of this option is to follow the person you want to send them a message. And this is it. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like.